Alright, y'all, we're gonna hop straight into today's video. We're working with a company called MegaLook. I will leave their information link down below if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig or any other wigs that they have. They sent me a lot of goodies. They also were kind enough to send me a 13x4 lace frontal wig that's 24 inches, y'all, and the lace was impeccable. I didn't have to bleach any knots. I did pluck the wig a little bit, but this wig does not need any plucking. It's literally perfect for beginners. For y'all that don't know how to curl like me, this wig did come pre-curled. So as y'all seen in the intro and as you guys will see in the end, the wig is curled, so I don't have to curl it or anything because I don't even know how to curl, okay? So this is perfect for y'all that are disabled like me, okay? So I'm going in and hot combing the hairline, and I'm also using my Sebastian Shape. It's a Sebastian Shape spray, y'all, and I really do love it for my curly wig. So as you guys can see, I did not need to bleach any knots. The wig did need to be plucked a little bit, but I just did like something so small. I was not trying to put no holes in this wig, okay? Y'all know I usually don't do my makeup before I do my install, but today I was just like, let me just do my makeup first. So I'm just going ahead and cleaning the hairline with a makeup wipe. So when I put the hair glue, it just don't look all gunky and weird, okay? So I'm going in with my favorite hair glue. This is Touch by Misty hair glue, you guys, and it's hot outside. So I did go in with about, I think I went in with about 4 to 5 layers, y'all. And I'm finally learning how to install wigs correctly and how much layers to use and all that jazz. So what you want to do, you guys, if you're a beginner and you're watching this, y'all, you need to make thin, wide layers. My issue before was that I was using way too much glue, y'all. So thin, wide layers, and make sure it dries completely clear. I usually don't have the patience, I'm be honest with y'all, to sit there and wait for it to dry clear. But if you don't wait for it to dry clear, you're going to see the white through your lace. So you have no choice but to sit there and wait for it to dry clear. As y'all can see, the glue actually dried very fast, so I didn't need to blow dry it. It literally dried within seconds. So I put about 4 to 5 layers, and then I'm going to go in and install the wig. Y'all, this install was so easy because I did not have to style the wig at all. I'm happy that it came pre-curled. I could have used a curling wand, but I know a curling wand wouldn't have made the same kind of voluptuous curls that these have. And y'all, this wig, I will say, was big on me, so it is important to go ahead and cut the air tabs off. I used to cut the air tabs off before I put the glue, but now I'm putting the glue and then cutting the air tabs off just so it can look more flat. So as you guys can see, the wig was literally like really big over my ears, really big. So I just went ahead and cut the tabs off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the wig with the MegaLook hairband. So I set my timer for about, I think 5 minutes, y'all. I don't be leaving this band on for too long. I see a lot of the girls like to leave the band on for 20 minutes. I'm not doing that because the band actually does hurt my ears, okay? So no, I do it for like 5 minutes. I did go ahead and cut off the lace, and as you guys can see, what lace? You can't even see the lace. I would say that I do wish I went back and really plucked the wig, but it's all right because it's blonde. Can't nobody really tell. It's blonde and a little gray with like a little bit of ash blonde in it, if you guys can tell. So yeah, I went ahead and cut off the lace, and I did touch up the parts that are lifting with that same glue and a rat tail comb, and then I remelted the lace. Now, this is the part that I hate the most, you guys. Y'all know I struggle with baby hair a lot, but I am learning more and more each week. Every time I do a different wig install, I learn more. So what I learned from my last wig install, you guys, is that I've been pulling out too much hair for the baby hair. So this actually was a good amount. I be pulling out too much. The hair be too thick. So what I'm going to do from now on is even if I pull out a lot of hair, I do like to go in and pluck that baby hair before I curl it. And then another thing I noticed is that, y'all, my baby hairs don't be even. So now I'm going ahead and measuring it with a comb, making sure that it's even. But the baby hairs are pretty simple, y'all. You really need a really skinny, really small flat iron. And I got mine from Amazon. It was about, I believe, maybe $10 to $20. I think it was $10. But I got mine from Amazon. And you just curl it. A lot of people curl it different ways. I like to curl my baby hair down, not up. And that's all I did. I did that, and I went in with some Eco Styler gel. And you guys can't really tell how cute the baby hair is because the hair is blonde and I'm light skinned. But when I do my next wig install, y'all are going to see how lit it is. So yeah, that is it for today's wig install. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll show you guys the final result at the end. And thank you so much to MegaLook for sponsoring today's video. The hair was so soft. I did get a little bit of shedding. It didn't require much maintenance. So if you're a beginner and you really need a wig, sis, go ahead and check out the link down below. I don't know if I have a coupon code, but child, if it's one there, then use it. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see y'all in my next